How to change mouse DPI in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change mouse DPI in Windows 11. Adjusting mouse DPI in Windows 11 allows for personalized cursor sensitivity, enhancing precision and comfort for various tasks like gaming or graphic design. So let's start the video. On your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Bluetooth and Devices tab, in the left side panel. Now, scroll down and click on Mouse. Here you will find a slider labeled Mouse Pointer Speed. This slider adjusts your mouse sensitivity. Moving the slider to the left make your cursor move slow, while moving to the right make the cursor move faster. So this is how you can simply change mouse DPI in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.